if you're interested in playing Being Boozled, come onto the table. If you are not,
Brittany just leaves.
You can go ahead and clean up. No, I'm just kidding.
Go ahead and clean up.
I'm just kidding.
Come on, man.
All right, come on. More than just Kylie and I. Matthew, get up here.
People except Sydney have to play.
Shelby.
I can't do that.
Come on, John. I drank your beer. Come play Being Boozled with me.
It's hard to argue with that. I'm gonna watch
Don't even try. Get up here. No. No. You guys are killing the tradition right here.
I almost threw up.
Here we go.
I'm watching people eat.
All three of us?
Yeah. Oh, it's the,
And I'm the one that's ready to rock and
go
roll.
around here.
Don't be a baby about
So far away.
I'm a baby.
Deal.
it. We know.
I'm a baby.
You play it like I'm not afraid of it. I'm a baby.
Yeah, here we go.
So you're gonna finish up a really good meal with gross jelly beans?
No, I'm gonna get amazingly good jelly beans is what I'm gonna get.
I've never played
He's
this.
putting that
I just know what
out
it is.
to
I want to play one.
All right, Sammy's in. Woo! Okay, so here's what you should know.
One's not.
Yep, they're all. It's either you have like stink bug or toasted marshmallow, rotten egg or buttered popcorn, barf or peach, booger or juicy pear,
Booger's the worst one.
stinky socks or tutti frutti,
It just tastes like
dirty dishwasher or birthday cake, toothpaste or berry blue, which I wouldn't mind either. So.
Yeah, toothpaste one's not bad.
Canned dog food or chocolate pudding, spoiled milk and coconut, and dead fish and strawberry banana smoothie.
That fish is the worst.
Okay,
No, I think
so
booger's the worst. It's just so salty.
not now. We are busy. We are busy.
I don't know. I know
All right.
it's
No one. Yeah, office is closed. We're playing Being Boozled.
I don't think
All right, you guys ready? I'll go first.
yeah.
Buttered popcorn or rotten egg? And it's the yellow ones.
Wait, who's going? Oh, you.
Andrew throws up after the first bean. Cal ready.
so gross.
Definitely rotten egg.
We're off to a strong start.
By the way,
With a
guys,
hint
our
of
next
gross.
Party is Halloween, and I'm so excited.
Yes.
Oh,
I want everybody to go. Like,
oh.
You look like you just took a...
So you're going,
Your turn.
Christmas one.
going counterclockwise?
Oh yeah, Brittany's next. What'd you get?
Okay, bar for peach.
And you have bar for peach.
between your
Okay.
Gotta find the the pink.
What are you doing?
With the,
Bar for peach. Pick your poison.
Self teaser?
I think
Wait, is
so.
this the dead fish or the?
No, it's bar for peach. So, whatever happens, happens.
the bar for the
Right?
you can be.
I think so.
Get ready to chug that fresco.
All right, let's roll.
We're in the clear.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I like how Greg's even hiding out of the room. He's like, oh, he better not even call my name.
Stink bug or toasted marshmallow?
All right, here
I
we
don't remember there being
go.
stink bug
She's
last
like
year.
reroll.
Yeah.
There's a couple
Thank
different
you.
ones.
I think it's a
There's like a
jam.
dishwasher one now.
Did you bring this?
No.
Bought it.
Pretty sure they don't.
No,
have
you
a
have to put
set.
it in your mouth.
Oh, you gotta fully commit, girl.
You gotta.
Oh, she's in the clear.
I don't think it is.
Oh. What stink bug tastes like?
Not as horrible as I thought it was gonna be.
But not good.
Somebody, I want to know
good.
who had to taste test these to make sure they tasted like what they claim they do.
Yeah.
That's a job I would not want to have.
I feel like an actual stink bug would not taste like
It
that.
depends.
It tastes like
It would be fun half of the
Do you
time.
get
Do
the
you
drink
have
at lunch?
eat stink bugs and
That's
compare?
why I don't
I'm
like
not
cilantro,
good at spitting
because
things,
what stink
apparently.
bugs smell
Here, I'll
like.
hold it for you.
I love
Oh, there you go.
That would have
never.
never.
Coconut or spoiled milk?
Yeah.
Alright, and that's just a solid.
It was like still like super.
Can you send me that?
It was like
Here we go. What is it?
Jelly bean.
Ah, spoiled milk.
Andrew.
There you go.
Oh, that's exactly spoiled.
Well, whatever that
milk,
one is
too.
on the floor is mine.
Tyson doesn't beat you to it.
She's not even gonna spin. She's gonna eat that one.
Like
Yeah.
a chaser.
Not even spinning.
And a blue one. What are the blue ones?
Toothpaste.
I don't know. Let's do
Toothpaste.
this. Oh!
Toothpaste is
What is it? Toothpaste or